Code Coach. Today we're talking about stairways, and a good thing to remember with stairways is your vertical rise, commercial or residential, cannot exceed 12 foot. So you cannot go up, let's say 24 feet. You have to have one landing in the middle, okay? Now this is a good example of a landing, and I want you to know right here, your landing has to meet the width of the stair. So this stair happens to be commercial business, and you have 46 clear width of your stair here, okay? So your landing has to be a minimum wide 46 inches. You cannot reduce your width, and then your depth has to be either the width of the stair or 48 inches, okay? So it either has to be 48 inches long or whatever the width of the stair is. So if your stair is 36 inches wide, you have to have a 36-inch long landing.